Hey, this is Galen Herbstay Cortina with Buff Your Finances, and today we're going to talk about the balance sheet or net worth statement. Both of those are different names for what is basically the same thing. The balance sheet you usually hear in reference to a business, and net worth statement you usually hear in reference to an individual or a family, but they come down to the same basic principles. So the purpose of a balance sheet is to look at what you own and what you owe. What you own is called your assets, and what you owe is called your liabilities. So let's take a look at an example now. So this dashboard is in line with what you'll see either if you're using Excel, like this example here, or if you're using software like Mint or Personal Capital, or even if you're using my own planning software to put it together. And it's really helpful to have this dashboard view to get a nice breakdown of everything in the same place and to just get that quick analysis of how does my net worth look. So your net worth is your assets, again, everything you own rather, minus your liabilities, which is everything that you owe. In general, it's preferable to have a higher net worth because that gives you more room to account for different, things that might come up in life. And if you're ever looking to retire, that means you have more to live off of once you do retire. Under your assets, you'll find a lot of different things. Most commonly, you'll be summing up things like cash that you have, if you have any investments, if you own a home, if you own cars, if you happen to have some valuable collectibles, and then if you have different things in retirement accounts. Again, this is what you own, and this is going to be personal. This is a very sterile example because it's got everything rounded nicely to the hundreds. I'd recommend that when you're putting together a document like this, that you use software like Mint or Personal Capital, which lets you link your accounts so that you can get this kind of thing automatically added up for you, and it updates every time you log in so you don't have to manually go in and do it yourself. Under liabilities, what you'll typically find are things like credit cards, student loans, car loans, home loans, basically anything where you owe someone money. This could even be if you borrowed money from a friend that you intend to repay, you'd want to add it into your liabilities. Now again, once you look at your assets and your liabilities, you want to put together your net worth, which is subtracting your liabilities from your assets. All right. That covers our balance sheet basics. Again, I'm Galen Herbstay Cortina with Buff Your Finances. And if you ever want more information on this kind of stuff, check me out at buffyourfinances.com for my company's site, pajamapantsfinance.com for my blog where I write about a lot of these topics, or just reach me on Twitter. If you search Galen Herbstay Cortina on Twitter, I'm pretty easy to find. I have links to all of those things below, as well as the article that I've written on this topic. All right, thanks for taking the time to watch this. Bye.